Me again. Made it up to Circle Mountain today in August. It's very hot. You can see the radio tower behind me from the Wheel of Nature video, Nick's Journey. But it's actually a cell phone tower. I'm gonna ride my bike down this very grassy and overgrown road to the blackberry vines. I think it might be a little too late for ripe berries, but we'll find out. Who knows, we may be surprised. Riding along this very rocky road. Last time I did this, I fell. It's not a very good idea to try to mountain bike and film with one hand. But if that's what it takes to get it on YouTube, I'm down. Gotta go. I know how K-Jewel loves these kind of videos, so I'm making one for him right now. This is for K-Jewel, my favorite subscriber. Oh my god. Shit. Oh. Don't think I'm gonna film my descent on this. I already have once.